hand shadows to be thrown upon the wall by Henry Bursill. A Project Gutenberg original. Let's make some hand shadows.
What is it?
It's a camel.
What is it?
It's a goose.
What is it?
It's a deer.
What is it?
It's Grandpa.
What is it?
It's a bunny.
What is it?
It's a bird in flight.
What is it?
It's a goat.
What is it?
It's a dog.
What is it?
It's an elephant.
What is it?
It's a greyhound.
What is it?
It's a pig.
What is it?
It's a boxer.
What is it?
It's a tortoise.
What is it?
It's the head of a camel.
Who is it?
It's me. The end.